Hello guys, you might have seen on some websites whenever you are signing up, Google suggests your strong random password and saves it for you. So today I'm gonna show you how you can generate your strong random password and how can you save in a JSON file. So first of all I need alphabets, number and special symbols. So there is a predefined module in Python called string. Let's import it first. From string module I will take uppercase letter in upper alpha variable. To do that I will simply write string.sky uppercase, and I will take lowercase letter in lower alpha variable. And I will do same for number and special symbol also. You can see I'm declaring my variables globally so that I can access in any function. Now I create a generator function which will generate passwords. And in that function I will ask for length of password from the user. And if the length of password is less than 8 I will print too small and call the generator function again. Else I will generate my password. I will fill 1/4 of my password with unique random uppercase letter, 2 number, 2 special symbols and remaining part with lowercase letter. To do that I require a module called random. Let's import it first. Now I will generate unique random values with the help of random.sample. You might be thinking that what random.sample do. Random.sample will simply generate a list of unique values. We have to pass two arguments in it. First argument will be a iterable object and second argument will be a length of sample. Now if I run this program, you can see I got two uppercase letter, two number, two special symbol and some lowercase letters. But I don't want my password in a list. I want it in a string. So let's convert it in a string. To do that I will take a variable my password. As you know I have two dimension list, so first I iterate over password. And then I use dot join method to join the elements of list inside the list. Then I concatenate with my password. Now if I print and run this program, you can see I got a string of password. But I want it to be more random. I will show this in the next part of this video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up if you liked it. See you in the next video.